Hey, language learners. If you're tired of apps, random videos, and useless vocab lists that aren't getting you anywhere, it's time for a change. You're not the problem. It's the methods you've been following. In this ultimate guide, I'm breaking down 8 cheat codes that the pros use to master languages faster than you ever thought possible. Let's dive in. 8. Learn like a child. Kids are the ultimate language learning machines. Why? They don't obsess over mistakes or perfect grammar. They just listen, imitate, and learn. You, on the other hand, are probably too scared to say anything unless it's flawless. Stop wasting time on endless verb conjugations and start exposing yourself to the language. Watch TV shows, listen to music, and repeat words even if you sound like a total fool. It's not about looking smart. It's about getting better. Language learning is messy. Embrace it. 7. Talk to a native speaker. You don't have to pack your bags and move abroad. Just find a native speaker to help you out. Platforms like Italki connect you with real teachers who can correct your mistakes and teach you how to sound fluent. Think about it. Lessons that are personalized to your needs, flexible scheduling, and no judgment when you mess up. It's the fastest way to build confidence and fluency. Stop practicing in isolation and start having real conversations. 6. Immerse yourself. Want to fool your brain into thinking you live in a country that speaks your target language? Change your phone language settings, label things around your house, and get started consuming content in the language. Podcasts, YouTube videos, social media in your target language will introduce you to absorbing pronunciation, rhythm, and vocabulary. At first, you will feel overwhelmed, but you will soon find yourself picking up phrases without even realizing it. 5. Build your own dictionary. Toss the flashcard vocabulary lists that use words like archaeologist. Write down expressions you would use in the real world. How do you order a cup of coffee? How do you ask for directions? Build your own dictionary of everyday words and expressions. Language is not about words, it's about how people speak. Concentrate on words that you might use every day so that you don't sound like some robotic voice reading out of a textbook. 4. Talk to yourself. It might feel weird, but narrating your day in your target language is one of the best ways to practice. Say out loud, "I'm pouring coffee," or "this cat is sleeping." This helps train your brain to think in the language instead of translating every word. Imagine sitting in a coffee shop or even talking to someone you don't know. This is a low-risk way to practice your confidence and fluency. And besides, who cares that you're having a conversation with yourself? 3. Practice video games in the language. Stop wasting hours gaming in your native language. Switch the settings to your target language. Video games immerse you in real-world scenarios where you can pick up slang, practice listening, and even learn to trash talk in your new language. Multiplayer games? Even better. Dive into voice chats with international players and let the learning happen naturally while you save the virtual world. 2. Create a weekly study plan. Consistency is the key. Break down your week into chunks that listen, speak, read, and write. For example, Monday, listen to a podcast and try to mimic what you hear. Tuesday, read an article and write a summary of what you have read. Wednesday, practice speaking on any topic. At the weekends, review everything that you have learned. You can't do anything overnight, so stick to your structure plan and go at one skill at a time. 1. Attack your weak spots. There's always something people are struggling to understand, be it listening, speaking, or writing. You improve only if you face the problems head on. Having difficulty with native speakers? Repeat simpler texts till you catch them. Speak monotonically? Imitate native speakers, and your intonation will sound natural. Ignore them, and no solution will ever arise. Instead, face the challenge. Language learning doesn't have to be a slow, painful process. With these 8 cheat codes, You'll be on your way to fluency faster than you thought possible. Start now, stay consistent, and remember, mistakes are part of the journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Let me know which of these cheat codes you're going to try first.